Ugh. Sick, tired, overdrawn with overdraft fees, exhausted, frustrated, depressed. I'll say just kind of fucking done. That is how I would describe my week so far. Because holy fucking shit. First, I start a new job, the stress of learning is a little bit of an issue, but, nothing I can't generally handle. Ugh. Sorry, I'm not gonna film me today. Just random shit around me. But then there's my checking account. Apparently, someone's been spending my fucking money. And now I'm overdrawn pretty far with a bunch of overdraft fees along with it. That sucks ass. On top of being, well, I guess I'm getting over a cold now. Now I'm just congested. No more of that runny nose and fever and shit. And my ceiling's kind of fucked up, but whatever. Shit happens. So yeah, I left one job Sunday night. Started the new job Monday morning. And it's been 50-50 so far. And Friday was my first day off since leaving the old job. So I'm going tired. One of the days I went in late because I set my alarm clock for 5 p.m. instead of a.m. Apparently, my boss forgot to fix the time clock for my first day of work, so I probably won't see it on my paycheck. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. I have been fucking out of it this whole week. Totally dropped the ball in the video for last week. And I think I just barely made the qualifications for the theme this week by describing it as terrible things. Because I'm not going to just try to describe the 50 states or racist towns, Manistee, Michigan. You know what? Fuck it, I'll see you later.